So guys, what we have here is Euro GBP. We want to predict this price for today, where the price will be moving for today. So in order to be able to predict this price properly, guys, I want us to actually go to the monthly time frame to be able to understand this movement. So before you go, please do not forget to subscribe. You can like, share, and comment if you want. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, by the way. So since the monthly time frame is not loading properly, let's see it from the weekly time frame to understand this movement. Now this is the weekly time frame. There's only one movement we've been seeing ever since early 2022, which is around this a bullish move, right? So our euro to GBP has actually been spiking up. We see this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now this period moving average, for those of you who trade moving average, I'm using 10 period moving average, and we all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Once the price is above 10 period moving average, we are to go long, but if it is below it, then we are to short it. So what we clearly can see is that price is above the 10 period moving average, meaning we are to go long. So this weekly time frame, we are still on a bullish move. Though this last week we actually kind of have this huge bullish move, right? Then all of a sudden this price actually drop and we close bearish. But what I know for sure is that this week, by the time this week end, we would actually see this bullish move actually close by this top here. So from here to this top, we're expecting, we are still expecting close to 200 pips this week for this EURGBP to move. But by the way, to predict this price for today, I want us to see something. I mean, if you can understand this trend line movement here, you can see this higher highs again, higher lows was made, then we add this higher highs, then you can see this higher lows, then we add this higher highs, higher lows was made, then we add this higher highs, we add this higher lows, higher highs was made. You see that all these are uptrend, price new highs breaking the previous highs here. Then this all of a sudden we had this huge impulse movement upward, right? Uptrend. Of course, after this impulse movement upward, a correction should be made. Now, is this correction over? Definitely, I believe the correction is over for this. So what we should be seeing again is another bullish move. This is one of the reasons why we actually opened bullish on our euro GBP. So this euro to our GBP, we are expected to go bullish. Now another reason why I said we will be going bullish on euro GBP is that we are to look at our GBP index. This is GBP index, right? If you take a look at this GBP index, full trend, we are on a bearish move. GBP index is dropping. So now let's take a look at this movement right here. So price actually dropped to this level. Price rejected it once. It dropped to this level again, it's rejected. Then it dropped to this level again, price rejected it. All of a sudden, price broke below it, right? Of course, once price break below a support level, a certain level, price tends to come to test that same level again. And guess what? Price came to that same level. Not only does it came to test that level, it broke above it. Now we can see that this price is above. What we clearly can see now is actually on a pullback move, right? So this pullback, where we are expected to see this pullback, is to our next key level here. This is the key level because price reacted here once, twice, and the third twice. It's actually reacted here 3 times, right? So now that this price has broken above it, we would want to see that price kind of give us like a pullback to a certain level. So this is the level we would be seeing. So from here to this pullback level, that is about 150 pips, close to 150 pips, by the way. So by that time, GBP is dropping, as our index is saying, then we would be seeing a bullish move on euro GBP. So if you want to take this trade within today and tomorrow, meaning Monday and Tuesday, we should actually have gone bullish. We should actually open and close bullish. So euro GBP, we are still on a bullish move. It depends on how you want to take this trade. And let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So this 4-hour time frame, though 4-hour time frame is still will I say still though 4-hour time frame is still kind of giving us that bearish move. But let's see if the price will actually come out to take this level. Let's see, maybe it will kind of give us like a pullback. Maybe if this is a drop, let's just consider here as a bearish move drop. Then after this drop, of course, we should be expecting a pullback on that drop. So maybe this pullback will serve as a bullish move to take out this level. So from here to this same level, is about 100 plus pips. So close to 150 pips we've once talked about on our GBP index. So I mean, if you can go long and grab 100 pips for the day, I think it's not bad by the way. So Euro GBP, you are still seeing a bullish move, right, for the day.